Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. Today it's my Walmart beauty unboxing. Where's the oh. I do get two of these, and I'm not really sure how that happened, but I did just go on to the site yesterday and fix that. If you saw my previous video, I haven't uploaded either one of them yet, but this is my natural. I'm letting my hair air dry because I'm trying something new tomorrow. You'll see the same hair, makeup, and glasses. And I don't really have anything on. I just have lip gloss, a lip stain, and mascara. Anyway, so I'm gonna open. I mean, they're probably the same because they came at the same time. I am a little late opening them because I was out of town when these came in. But let's just go for it. We're gonna go for this one, and the other one's probably the same stuff. But actually, I think I want to open this one because this one, the box is cleaner looking. It looks more together. The other one looks a little crushed. So, ooh, hello, hi. The first thing in the box that I see is my Real Technique sponge, which I needed a replacement. I actually have a holder for this sponge, and I still have it. I put something else in it, but yeah, I'm a fan. Next thing is, what is this? Oh, Invisibobble, the traceless hair clip. Oh, that's so cute. These are so cute. I was like, what is going on? That is so cute, and you get 3 of them. So that might be a new product. That's cute. Burt's Bees Facial Cleanser for sensitive skin with cotton extract. National Eczema Foundation. That's what it says. Association. Sample size. This is a pretty good sample, though, for face cleanser. This is good for travel. Oh, what's this? Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. For those long nights of drinking and whatever. Liquid IV. Yes, I will probably pick some of these up for my upcoming birthday trip. And last but not least, the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. Now, I think I had one of these before in a different packaging. I think when it very first came out. And I did like it. But I opened the packaging and it was not sealable like this. And so the part of it that I did use, the rest of it went to waste. So I'm not going to open this one, but it's kind of a pinkish color. It's settled underneath, but it's kind of a pinkish color. It's very soft and exfoliating, so it's not really hard on your skin, but it does a really good job. I don't typically buy exfoliators for my body, but because I have someone that makes them, so I usually get them from her. And this is just your information sheet. And let's see, is anything new? The Invisibobble wavers may be new. I've never seen them before, but again, I don't do a lot of crazy stuff to my hair. I'm not that adventurous. So, I mean, it's not a ponytail, it's down, or it's in a braid. So, these fun little styles. I might have to give this to somebody because I don't think I'm going to use it the way it should be. I appreciate it, but I'm just not going to get as much use out of it as you probably should because these are too freaking cute. Okay. Now, as I mentioned, I do have 2 boxes. More than likely, this second box is the exact same thing because I had 2 subscriptions under the same account. So I'm not really sure why. I had the same profile. I'm not sure how I did that. I think what happened was they sent me an email asking me about the box and to make sure my account was up to date and that my preferences were aligned. And so I, redid them a teeny tiny bit. And so that created another one. Anyways, next. Oh man, this is different stuff, but something in here broke and got all over the box. So that's gross. Oh, I'm going to show you. Ew. Ew. Okay, well, it wasn't this. What got in here? Anyway, the exfoliating body polish again. And I did get another Real Technique sponge. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Oh, I did. Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge in Sugar Rush. This something is ugh. More hydration multiplier. So I'm not sure if this leaked out. Oh yeah, this leaked out, and then it got wet. There's a hole in here. So that's disgusting. I got the facial cleanser again, so I'm gonna have to wash all this off. Ugh. But the last thing I got, which I'm gonna have to wash this box off, but I'm definitely gonna take with me, is a charcoal clay facial mask. I love a face mask. By C'est Moi, it's me. C'est Moi, it's a 1.5 fluid ounce um, thing of facial mask, and that's a pretty good size sample. I'm glad I opened both of these. So yeah, this is travel friendly, and since I do have a trip coming up, I am going to set that aside, so I don't have to rewash all of that. Oh, that's so sad. And you know what probably happened? Probably this little edge cut into that because it's about the size. Oh, that fits perfectly, actually. Or it could have been this. Oh, maybe, because this is kind of sharp. Yeah, it's probably that. Neither here nor there. This is still in good shape, so I'm going to wash up the packaging and take that sponge out. Wash up the packaging and take that out. Wash up the packaging and keep that. Like everything is still pretty much usable except the hydration. So obviously that one's a waste. But I am going to go pick some of those up for my trip, as I mentioned, twice, I think. Ugh, now I'm all gross. Okay, so that again is my Walmart Beauty unboxing. This is a quarterly subscription. It is $5 plus tax, so it's about $6.98 when you add it all together, or after you do that, and it's free shipping. And what you basically get is 5 samples of products that they carry at Walmart, and it allows you to be introduced to new products that they carry or things that they're just promoting because it's that time of year. Again, quarterly means once or 4 times a year, once every 3 months. So this theme is probably the fall theme: exfoliating your skin, exfoliating your body, treating your skin, making sure you're all clarified for the fall, because in the summer you spend a lot of time outside, suntan oil, sweating, and all that stuff. So now you need to clear up your skin to get it ready for fall because the winter's coming, and then you have to protect it. So anyway, that's kind of my way of thinking. Yeah, I need to go wash my hands now. I don't like messy stuff. It's stuck on me, sticky. I don't like it. I don't like it. It probably tastes good in water, but that's not what happened just now. That's disgusting. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Look into the Walmart Beauty Box. Not a sponsored video. I just like their products. I shop at Walmart. I shop at Target. Target has a beauty box, but I think it's set up differently. You can't just subscribe. You have to go get it when it's available, and I'm not about that life. I want you to send it to me on a regular basis without me doing all that extra. So Walmart does that. Sephora also does that, but I did cancel my Sephora box because I started getting a lot of duplicates, and the samples were really small. Then I signed up for Ipsy and have not been disappointed. I am loving it. And there is one other box I want to try eventually, but I keep forgetting to do that. So we'll look into that later. I do have a unboxing showcase scenario happening pretty soon with the new product that I'm going to be trying on my hair tomorrow. So we'll see how that goes first, and then we'll give you our feedback after that. Let me know if you are a member of the Walmart Beauty community. What did you get in your box? Did you find anything helpful? Did your hydration packet burst on you too? Like that's a little fragile. I need to travel with this, okay? Anyway, y'all have a great day. Peace, love, hair grease. Bye. Oh, I have to touch the thing. Bye.